This is my dad gonna be, I guess, pouring it in. You wanna watch? Watch. See, people?
Careful that thing below you, by your feet.
Oh, my bad.
Sorry. Alright, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take it out there, then I'm going to shake the fuel up and run back. So just, you can film me going over there, okay?
Okay. And here's my dad gonna take a run for it.
Right.
He's gonna take cover after he runs, shake it up, and I mean, first he's probably gonna shake it up when he gets there and run for his life of his death. So it's gonna be one heck of a life.
Alright, I'll leave that there. I'll see if I can record it when I get back. Alright, okay.
This is, here we go.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording. Here he's gonna die. That's the landing. Oh, whoa. There it is. Oh, look at that. What a life. He got you?
Yeah, that was...
And that's the end.